Mysteryland is here again. The 3-day festival of electronic dance music, culture, arts, and lifestyle will kick off Friday for the second straight year at the former site of the 1969 Woodstock Festival. Mysteryland launched 20 years ago in the Netherlands and combines top electronic music from around the globe, art exhibits, fantasy environments, and limited camping for an immersive experience for adults.
This is the life-size Mousetrap, and we came all the way out from San Francisco. Right here we're at Mysteryland, setting up a giant Rube Goldberg machine modeled after the 1963 Milton Bradley board game Mousetrap. So my version weighs 50,000 pounds, and we travel around the country showing people all kinds of great stuff and showing how a giant kinetic machine can be fun and interactive for a lot of people to hang out with and do fun things. So at the end of the Rube Goldberg machine, we actually crush a car with a 2-ton bank safe with a hand-built crane that I made, a few years back. Everyone's got to have a hobby. Mine was building the crane.
Attendees will experience a theme inspired by old school summer camps and classic games. They're calling the theme Camp Do You Want to Dance? It will include giant drinking Jenga, Connect 4, and beer pong, hamster ball soccer, a 20-foot inflatable slide. There's even going to be a Woodstock Lounge of the Future, where you can do galactic yoga, play cosmic board games, and exchange social media tokens via apps for cucumber water. Headliners this year include Diplo, Empire of the Sun, and Dylan Francis. For Record Online, I'm Eric Liebman.